Life is beautiful precisely because it moves. Like these birds. Ooh, the geese don't even care. The geese don't even care. I love you. Here, come get your food. There's a bunch of rice and shit right here. The geese aren't scared. I'm gonna try to walk by. Oh, she's hissing at me. No. Let's see if we can walk you to the end. I finally got them to hiss at me. They're scared of me though. I don't know why. I guess maybe other humans are mean. All I'm gonna do is scare them. I'm never gonna hurt them. Let's see if yeah, here they go. The birds are gonna start, the geese are gonna chase the birds off the edge. I won't even need to. Here they go. Get them, geese. Get them, geese. I'm not gonna chase them off the end though. They're my friends. They chase the sky rats. Thank you, geese, for chasing the sky rats. I really appreciate you. Have a good day, geese.